Dolls should already know I got the juice. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is brought to you by Color Cases for Mother's Day. So thank you so much to Color Cases for sponsoring this video. As you can tell by the title, I am gonna reveal the ultimate Mother's Day gift for you for this Mother's Day. And this gift can actually go for anyone. Father's Day, your brother, your sister, your girlfriend, your grandma, your cousin. But since Mother's Day is right around the corner, today's case will be dedicated to Mother's Day and all the moms out there. The Color Cases brand caters to all iPhone holders, specializing in colorful cases made of natural leather. And they also offer free personalization services, meaning you can get your phone personalized with your name, your favorite logo, your favorite quote, anything you want on it for free. So Color Cases hit me up not too long ago. They wanted to collab with me. They wanted to send me some cool cases personalized with my name on it. But being that Mother's Day is right around the corner, I thought it would be the perfect gift to give my mom for Mother's Day, being that she's a professional, she's a teacher, she's in school right now for her PhD in education, which I'm so proud of. So I decided to get her a mature Mother's Day gift this year and get her an iPhone case personalized with her name on it. Now, my mom has the iPhone X, so I asked Color Cases to send me over a personalized iPhone X case for my mom. So the case comes in this very nice packaging. It actually reminds me of a vintage library with some important books inside. When you open up the packaging, the case is revealed. As noted, the case is made of natural, genuine leather, and right here is where we got her name engraved on the phone case. My mom's name is going to be a little hard for you dolls to pronounce, so I'll pronounce it for you. My mom's name is in Swahili, so once I pronounce it, if any of you dolls can go ahead and research what my mom's name means in Swahili, or if you are from Swahili or you do speak Swahili and you know the meaning, let me know down below in my comment section and I'll reveal it to you in the next video. My mom's name is Ekwifi, so I got Ekwifi engraved right at the bottom left corner of the iPhone case in silver. I thought it went so perfectly with the color scheme that I picked out. Now, Color Cases does offer a variety of colors, so you can choose whichever color case best fits your personality or whoever's personality you're gifting this case to. I just thought it was just a mature mix. It's real modern, real cute, and I absolutely love it. So thumbs up if you dolls like this case. I'm sure my mom is gonna love it as much as I do. And if you dolls are interested in purchasing your mom a case for Mother's Day, or anyone a case in the future, then I will leave a link in my description box where you can go ahead and purchase the case and get it personalized. Make sure you take advantage of their free personalization services. It just doesn't get no better than that. Also, I do have a discount code for you dolls, so I will leave the discount code in the description box as well, so that you can get some money off when you go ahead and make this purchase. Thank you so much, Color Cases, again for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me to bring the cutest gift for my dolls and all the moms out there. Happy early Mother's Day, just in case you dolls don't see me on Sunday. Thank you dolls so much for watching, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye dolls.